How does RAG handle out-of-domain or ambiguous queries? Answer: RAG models handle out-of-domain or ambiguous queries by utilizing the retrieval component to gather relevant documents from a large knowledge base. When faced with ambiguous queries, RAG retrieves a set of documents that may encompass various possible interpretations of the query, allowing the model to generate responses that are informed by multiple perspectives. This approach reduces the risk of providing a misleading or irrelevant answer. For out-of-domain queries, RAG retrieval mechanism ensures that the system is not entirely dependent on the model's pre-existing training data. Instead, it fetches the most relevant documents that might provide context for the query, even if it falls outside the model's training scope. This is particularly useful when dealing with niche or evolving topics. However, if the retrieval mechanism cannot find relevant documents, the quality of the generated answer may be compromised, highlighting a limitation of the approach. In such cases, the model may struggle to provide accurate and relevant responses. Nevertheless, RAG's ability to handle out-of-domain or ambiguous queries makes it a valuable tool for generating responses to a wide range of queries.